Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your accounts on Rocket League. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games launcher on your device and proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the Epic Games homepage. In order to link your accounts, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account. This will open up a web browser page for your Epic Games account and you will be taken into the account settings. Now in order to link your account, click on apps and accounts at the left side. This will now show you various apps and accounts that you can link with your Epic Games Rocket League account. Just click on either one of the options that you wish to connect by clicking on the appropriate connect button. You will then be asked to enter your credentials for the corresponding account. After entering your credentials and proceeding forward, your account will be linked with each other, and there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to link your other accounts onto Rocket League. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.